C sharp. I'm learning C sharp at school. I already had C sharp at school like a subject in a semester, but I don't learn the nothing. I I did the assignments. I tried to learn, but C sharp isn't so easy for me. I forgot many things. Then now I'm reviewing C sharp at school, and the next semester I will have. I think I will have a C sharp again with SQL. Now I'm watching videos on YouTube, seeking for C sharp tutorials, and learning about what is C sharp. This video will be about C sharp, what is it, how it works, to me train and understand better what is the C sharp. The C sharp was made by Microsoft in the, I think it was in 2006, 2004, to make web projects, and Microsoft made C sharp open source in 2014. C sharp is have any relation with the .NET. I don't know what is it. I think it's a protocol, a thing that you use to make web applications, and the .NET was made open source in 2016. C sharp is widely used to make games in Unity, to make web applications, to make the Android applications, I think also. And the C sharp comes with the C. The C is the grandfather language of many languages. The C generate the C++ by the BIOS, I don't know. The C generated the C++, and the C++ generated the Java, the C sharp, and I think that was the Ruby, I don't remember. But the Java and the C sharp is very similar, is very fair, and the father of these two languages is the C++. I learned a little bit of C++ in Arduino, and I already coded in C sharp, even I don't remember many things, but the syntax is similar. You will also use the object-oriented programming in the C sharp and in C++, and the syntax is similar. You create classes and the columns and use the same columns. This vocabulary about points is restricted in my English, but the syntax is the same, because the C sharp was made for C++. The C sharp comes with the C++ like a base, and have and I'm learning C sharp to integrate with the SQL, the SQL, to make a application. I don't know what it is, but I think it's a web application, something like it. Then have the dispute, the fight about if you should learn Java and C sharp, because Java and the C sharp is very similar, is very fair. You can do many things with C Sharp that you can do with Java, but Java is more complex. C Sharp is complex also. I don't know Java. I don't have a desire to know Java. I heard that it's very difficult. Then I look at the code of C Sharp and I I had difficult looking at this code. Then I don't have any desire to want to learn Java. I want to learn Python, the Squid. I think other languages if it would be good, but Java I don't have any desire to learn. And I have this fight of what is better, Java or C Sharp. I don't know, but I will learn C Sharp because I have it at school. Then I needed to learn it to finish my high school. I think I want to use C Sharp in my professional life, in my career, but it's good to learn other things, to understand how the things can connect, and it's good. I think I need to finish the high school. It's good to learn. I will improving my C Sharp skills. You use the Visual Studio to programming in C Sharp. You can use also the Visual Studio Code. You need to run the console, the terminal, run .NET, something to run a C Sharp, and C Sharp you use a layout that you need to run. Because of it, you can't use the Visual Code because it isn't only code, is the visual, is the front end also, the C Sharp. I think that have the UX, the user interface that you need to configure in the C Sharp. Because of it, you can't use the Visual Studio Code. No, you can't use the Visual Code. You need to use the Visual Studio. This is what I learned about C Sharp in these days studying. I think that I already programmed in C Sharp. I made a course a long time ago about games, about game development, and I think that I had exposure in C Sharp. Then I will continue learning C Sharp to make my school assignments and may have any use in my personal and professional life. This was an introductory video about C Sharp. I hope you liked it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.